how to add image to OBS virtual camera. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you how you will be able to add an image on top of your virtual camera. Now, as you can see right now, what I'm playing around with on our screen is our virtual camera section, as you can see here. And to be able to add an image on it, is you can easily add it under sources over here. Click on the plus on the add sources. Let me move this so that you can see. And as you can see here, there's an option image. So simply select that, click on OK, and then simply browse the image that you want to upload. So let's browse something over here. Let's go and check out something here. Maybe this one. Click on open and simply click on OK. And now as you can see, you will have an image on your OBS screen. Now what you can do is just simply overlap it and put it on top of your virtual camera just like that. So this is what it would look like. Let us zoom in and put the image over here. This is what it's going to look like. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.